Umbriano is a factory-sealed, large format paver with a modern look and smooth non-slip surface texture. If you look closely, you'll notice that the surface of these pavers is more refined than a traditional paver. This is because Umbriano is manufactured with EnduraColor, a special process that combines a strong base of larger aggregates with fine aggregates and concentrated color in the top portion. This results in an extremely durable paver with color that lasts. You'll also notice the unique granite-like surface appearance that is achieved through our exclusive color fusion technology, which randomly disperses rich color and actual granite particles to create a unique modeled surface. You'll want to handle these units with care, avoiding any unit-to-unit contact that might scratch the surface or chip the edges. This sheeting material that you see between the layers on the bundle is there exactly for this reason, to protect the EnduraColor surface during transportation. Umbriano is sold in a 3-piece random bundle that can be installed in a variety of patterns, from random to linear. There is also an extra large size slab available that can be seamlessly integrated with the random bundle or used on its own for an even larger scale look. No matter which configuration you choose, always remember to pull from more than one bundle at a time, at least 2 and ideally 3. This ensures that any slight color variation between bundles will be evenly distributed in the finished project. Be sure to also visually inspect the pavers as they are installed, setting aside any damaged units to use for cuts. After you have installed all Umbriano pavers, including cut pieces, and before adding any infill material to the joints, the entire paver surface should be compacted to set the pavers into the bedding layer and ensure an even surface. In order to best achieve this when installing Umbriano that has a zero bevel edge, we strongly recommend using a C33 sand bedding layer. In order to prevent accidental damage to the pavers, a roller paver compactor is the ideal tool for the compaction step. However, a vibratory plate compactor with a protective anti-scuff pad will also work. After compaction, you're ready for joint infill material. Polymeric sand is a popular choice for Umbriano. However, there are various acceptable joint infill options. Just make sure that whatever joint material you choose, it meets ASTM C144 or C33 specification. When filling the joints, make sure the material height is 1/8 of an inch below the rounded edge or zero bevel edge of the pavers, depending on which is available in your market. You don't want the joints to be over full. Then, before you perform final compaction or activate the joint material, make sure the surface of Umbriano is free of residual material. Otherwise, you may risk scuffing the pavers or ending up with polyhaze on the surface that is very difficult to remove. It is critically important that you exactly follow the installation instructions for the joint material you choose, because the installation and activation processes can vary from one manufacturer to another. Umbriano does not require sealing. However, some people like the way a sealer will make the color of the pavers a bit deeper or give them a wet appearance. If the project area is used for cooking, dining, or otherwise prone to spills, applying an aftermarket sealer can also help prevent stain penetration and make the pavers easier to clean. Sealing can also enhance joint material stability, helping to prevent washout over time. This video provides just a few tips to help make your project more successful. For more information on this or any Unilock product, please connect with one of our many knowledgeable and experienced territory managers by making a request online at unilock.com or by calling 1-800-UNILOCK.